Hey guys, welcome back to the show. You know, investing just keeps getting better. And let me give you an example of what I mean by that. Online brokerages are getting rid of commissions to buy stocks. I got another email today, or actually yesterday, from Ally. And at first I thought it was to tell me that they were going to lower my online savings account yet again. But I was pleasantly surprised to find out that it was actually, well, let me read it to you. Ally Invest introducing $0 commissions. You work hard for your money. We're helping you to save it by charging $0 commissions on trades you make. As your financial ally, we're always looking for ways to help you reach your financial goals. That's why we're excited to announce that beginning today, 10/9/2019, we'll be offering commission-free trading on all U.S. exchange-listed stocks, ETFs, and options trades. Plus, we've lowered our fee for option trades to just 50 cents per contract. Thank you for continuing to allow us to be a relentless ally for your financial well-being. Keep trading. I went to their website to see if I could see it, and I didn't actually see it on the site yet, so they haven't updated that, but I did find this article I'm going to read to you really fast from Investopedia. Ally Invest cuts trading commissions. Ally Bank's online investing subsidiary joins the cost-cutting craze. The wave started to break last week when Charles Schwab announced that his firm would eliminate stock, ETF, and per-leg commissions on options tradings. Then it happened. Then TD Ameritrade did it. E-Trade did it. And now Ally has done it as well. Ally Bank reports that their commission revenues really only accounted for about 4% of their total revenue for the 6 months leading up to June 30th. Eliminating these base commissions will not have a huge effect on their bottom line. At Ally, we've been planning for this evolution in investing and are happy to be in a company of firms prepared to offer zero customer commission trading fees. So who's left that hasn't joined? Actually, my favorite, Vanguard. At this point, Vanguard presents the most expensive brokerage commission charge at $7 per stock trade or ETF if you trade non-Vanguard ETFs. Now, if you use any of Vanguard's index funds or ETFs, they are still commission free. It's a pretty neat thing, and all the other investing platforms are starting to realize that people are not putting up with paying for these trades. I recently opened my M1 Finance account for the very simple reason I didn't want to pay Ally Invest $4.95 per stock buy. Now I don't have to. So now I'm going to continue to add money to my M1 account, but I do like having the ability to buy full shares of stocks when I feel like it's time for it. I actually today, to try out the new theory, went online and tried out buying a couple of shares of Ford. All right, you guys, I'm on my Ally account, my Ally Invest account, and I decided I'm going to try out this free trade. Now you see the little thing here. As of October 9th, we're going commission free on U.S. exchange listed stocks, ETFs, and options trades. I'm going to buy 2 shares of Ford. So we're going to click here, trade. Now come over here to the corner. F is what we want in there. Action taken. I want to buy. Quantity I want is, let's go 3. Market order for today. Preview the order. So on the order preview, you notice your estimated cost is the cost of 3 shares. Estimated commission, 0. Estimated fee, 0. Place the order. Okay, you've got it. Places managed orders. And we notice that now I have 30 shares of Ford Motor Company. No commission cost at all, you guys. This is the excitement of which I speak. This is a good time to be in investing. So you guys, with all these different brokerage firms going to zero commission fees on your stock trades and ETF buys, it's a better time than ever for people to get into. Remember my mantra, invest early and often, keep your fees low, invest long term. Do not buy and sell. Even though you're saving on these stock trade fees, you guys, buy your stocks and hold them. Buy your ETFs and hold them. All right, I hope you got something out of this. If you did, give me a thumbs up. subscribe to the channel, and we're going to have another video here later in the week.